Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, we will extract a logo design idea for a water sports brand. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the client's brief. So the client says that our brand is Anglesey Hot Tub Hire. We are looking for quite a clean, minimal and vibrant logo design. Please don't focus specifically on hot tubs as we are also expanding our products and hiring equipments. We are looking for something abstract that can be used with different products like hot tubs and other inflatable products for water sports. About colors, we do like blues, purples and turquoises. Now the important point that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the brand or also the name of the logo, which is Anglesey Hot Tub Hire. And the second important point is that they are looking for quite a clean, minimal and vibrant logo. And the third and one of the most important points is that the client is not looking for something that focuses on hot tubs as they are expanding their products and equipments. And the fourth one is that they are looking for an abstract mark that can be used with every product like hot water tubs and other inflatable water sports. And the fifth point is about colors, which are blues, purples and turquoises. Now using these points as the reference, let's continue with the mind mapping process. To design our logo, we can use the initial letter A or also the combination of letter A and letter H. And as the name suggests, Anglesey Hot Tub Hire. But the client has already told us to avoid hot tubs. To focus on water products, we can use generic elements like an abstract mark of a water body like a water pool, also a water drop and water waves. To make our logo more clean and minimalistic, we can use an inverted triangle, which is the ancient alchemy symbol of water. And also to represent the water sports, we can use water splash. And to design quite a clean, minimal and vibrant logo, I decided to use the combination of letter A and a water drop. And after experimenting with different concepts, this was the finalized design. This is the combination of initial letter A and a water drop. And now it's time to review your submitted designs. And these are the designs that I received from you. The first one, this is the combination of a water tub, hot water and also letter A. There is a problem with the size ratio of the logo mark and the typography. And we can solve this problem by balancing the design like this. And there is another major problem with the design, which is a hot tub. Because the client has clearly informed us that we should avoid the use of hot tubs as they are expanding their products and equipments. And the second design, this represents the true meaning of simplicity and vibrancy. I really like this design. This is the combination of a water drop and water waves. And the use of colors is very much vibrant and according to the brief. And this third design, this is the combination of water tub and a flame to represent hot water. And again, the problem is that the client has told us to avoid the hot tubs. And this fourth design, this looks like number 9. But this design is also clean and minimal. Overall, that's a good design. And this is for today's logo design idea. You can share your thoughts about your favorite design in the comments section. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.